Ron from CampFire Grub. Ashley and I are here. Good thing that we decided to do a early start today. As you can see, it's still a little bit dark outside as the sun's rising. We were gonna go out, do some trail riding, cook up some food, go out and check out the old general store in Richland, but hey, it turns out my front bumper's messed up. We stopped by a friend's house real quick along the way, found out the front bumper, the welds are broken, so change of plans. We're gonna run over to Travis's, go ahead and weld them up. He just got a new pellet smoker, so we're gonna go ahead and try that out, use the pellet smoker, and cook up some pork and some ribs. So we'll see how the repair process goes and how well I like pellet smokers.
Hey, what do you think? Seriously.
Alright, so we arrived up here at Travis's, and this is some of the weld damage that we have on the left side, and then I'll go ahead and show you the right side and show you how damaged that is.
Yeah, but those are cheap.
So this is the other side here. It is completely separated, welds broken, bumper about to fall off. So we're gonna go ahead and weld it up, fix it up, and see how it is, but we need to make a couple quick detours along the way. Okay, so we just got back, our quick little detour before we went ahead and fixed up on the bumper falling off. We went and grabbed up some meats. So we've got some pork spare ribs, and then we also grabbed up this Boston butt right here. So we're gonna go ahead and season these up real quick. Travis has a new pellet smoker. Never used a pellet smoker before, so we've got that firing up. Season these up, throw them on the pellet smoker, and then hopefully the food's done by the time we get the my raggedy clunker all fixed up. So let's see how it turns out. So the wind's blowing. I probably should have done this not necessarily into the wind. I'm just using some random cheap seasoning that I found at the meat market we went to. Nothing special. Titan here, super excited about what we got going on. He sees meat, he sees food, he just sees excitement. So if you're wondering what this raggedy truck is right back here, this is actually the Ron's OG original off-road woods rig that I had when I was in high school and just after high school a little bit. It needs a little bit of work. There's some slight damage to it. It's an old 76 Ford F100. Been around for a while. As you can tell, there's some moderate surface rust. But hey, it's one of the many projects that we have laying around here.
I think that's a little too kind to put it moderate.
So Ashley, what is your opinion here of this truck?
It would have been nice.
Would have been nice?
Would have been nice.
Would have been nice.
It wasn't all rusted.
All rusted.
I blame Ron.
Blame Ron. But it'll be a great tailgate to cook on. I have not cooked on this tailgate in years. Many meals have been cooked here, and who knows, maybe many more to come. Alright, so here we go. We got the bumper now pulled off. And as you see over here, Travis went ahead and ground down the bracket. Pretty much basically all this metal was broken, cracked. Over here, there was actually a plate that was supposed to go right in here with a plate with one of these studs for a bolt. It was completely missing. Not even part of the truck anymore. Back behind here, this weld was broken, so we're gonna go ahead and cut up this side, make it look like this. Travis is gonna go ahead and weld on a plate. In theory, it'll be much stronger and ready to hit more trees. So, we might as well go ahead and pop open the grill. Take a look here. First time using a pellet smoker. And these ribs and this meat is definitely looking pretty amazing. We got the smoke rolling. We're using a fall blend, so it's apple and hickory. So hopefully it turns out pretty good. So we're in the final stages here of the bumper repair. It's time to put it on. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick little checkup here on the food. I went ahead and threw some corn on there a few moments ago. We got the ribs going, we got the pork going, and I'm actually using for the first time a pellet smoker. This is all new to me, but it's kind of cool. Seems to be quick and easy, kind of different. So I might make up some more meals on this thing. So here's a view here of the pork and the ribs. I kind of sliced it up. I forgot my camera outside. So that's a look at the meat. So we're going to go ahead and give it a try and see how it is. So here's a final look of the barbecue actually on a plate. So I actually have some of this Brent's barbecue sauce here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on there, give this barbecue sauce a try, and hopefully it'll be pretty good. So we just finished up dinner, and this Brent's barbecue sauce was absolutely amazing. I've never had any of his barbecue yet, but if his sauce is as good as his barbecue, I bet you it's pretty good. So we got the bumper back on. It's all nice and bolted up and repaired, so hopefully it'll be ready to go for the next time I gotta go ahead and winch myself out or somebody else out or anything else or hit any trees. There's still water in the fog lights, but I guess that's just here to stay. So about that dinner. So Ashley, how'd you feel about the barbecue?
It was great. It was good. I like the sauce. That sauce was very luscious.
Oh yeah, the sauce was super luscious. Well, thanks to everybody for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow along for more videos to come. One last thing real quick. So we're gonna go ahead and fix the issue with the water and the light. So we're gonna go ahead and heat up this piece of metal here. I guess what, melt it, stab it through the light. Here we go. We're fixing a little water issue. And now we have a little hole to hopefully keep water out of the lights for when we submerge the truck.